Hello everyone, welcome to the Bodhi Academy. In today's video, we are going to continue with the 12th Standard Biology Chapter 12, that is Biotechnology and its application. So, in the last class, we have learned about the applications of biotechnology in medicine. So, in that we learned about the genetically engineered insulin, gene therapy and the molecular diagnosis. So in today's video we are going to learn about the transgenic animals and also about the ethical issues. So let us begin talking about the transgenic animals. First of all, what are these transgenic animals? So animals that have had their DNA manipulated to possess and express a foreign gene are known as transgenic animals. So those animals whose DNA has been manipulated to express a foreign gene are known as transgenic animals. So transgenic mice, rats, rabbits, pigs, sheep, cow and fish have been produced so far. Now why do we develop these transgenic animals? So what are the uses or what are the applications of these transgenic animals? So the common reason for development of these transgenic animals are normal physiology and development, the study of diseases, biological products, vaccine safety and chemical safety testing. So let us see these points one by one. So the first one is normal physiological development. Now they are designed, the transgenic animals are designed to allow the study of gene regulation, their effect on normal function of body. So they are designed to study the gene regulation and its effect on the normal functioning of the body by introducing the genes from other species that alter the formation of this factor and studying the biological effects of the that affects the result. Then talking about the study of diseases. So a number of transgenic animals are designed to increase our understanding on how genes contribute to the development of disease. So these transgenic animals are used or designed as to learn how the genes contribute to the development of diseases. The transgenic model has been developed for disease like cancer, cystic fibrosis, Alzheimer's disease, etc. So these are the diseases for which the transgenic model have been developed so far. Then talking about the biological products. The transgenic animals that produce useful biological products can be created by the introduction of the portion of DNA or gene, which codes for a particular product such as human protein, which is used to treat emphysema. Okay, so these animals, their DNA is modified and it is introduced with a portion of DNA or a gene which codes for a particular product, the product which we want or desire. For example, human protein, which is used for the treatment of a certain disease. Then the first transgenic cow, that is Rosie, produced human protein enriched milk. So this first transgenic animal or cow whose name was Rosie produced human protein enriched milk. Then talking about the vaccine safety, transgenic mice are developed for use in testing the safety of vaccine before they are used on humans. So before the use of vaccines on humans, they are first tested on these transgenic mice. Also polio vaccine was tested on transgenic mice and then on the monkey. Then the last point or the last reason for the development of these transgenic animals is the chemical safety testing. So transgenic animals are made that carry genes which make them more sensitive to toxic substances than non-transgenic animals. So these animals are made to carry genes which make them more sensitive to toxic chemicals as compared to the normal non-transgenic animals. So it gives us the results in less time. So this was about the transgenic animals. Then talking about the ethical issues. So the Indian government has set up organizations such as GEAC, that is Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, which will make decisions regarding the validity of a GM research and the safety of introducing the GM organisms for public services. So the Indian government has set up an organization called the Genetic Engineering Approval Committee, which will make the decision regarding the validity of genetic modification research, or the introducing, if whether the genetically modified organisms are valid to be introduced for the public services. Then talking about the biopatent. Now what is a biopatent? A patent is the right granted by the government to an inventor to prevent others from making commercial use of his invention. So now the patents are granted for biological entities and for products derived from the biological resources, and such a patents are called as biopatent. Then talking about biopiracy. So what is biopiracy? It is the term used to refer to the use of bioresources by multinational companies and other organizations without proper authorization from the countries and people concerned, without compensatory payment. Okay, so this is all in today's video. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to the Buddhi Academy.